Welcome. Thank you for joining us today at the Certified Supplier Initiative, Dongguan Factory Toy. I am your host, William D. Frazier. Certified Supplier Initiative was launched by China Toy and Juvenile Product Association based on 5 criteria: product safety, safety assurance, specified standards, ready-made to export, and social responsibilities. Today we're visiting Dongguan One-Time Plastic Toys Company Ltd. And their brand, of course, is Happy Kids. So we're gonna go inside and see what they have for you. Thank you for joining us, but hey, let's go inside and follow us, okay? The company was established in 1986. They are a specialized integrated manufacturing company that specializes in the design, the production, as well as the development and the export of these products for a worldwide market. What market do you want to ask? They export these products to North America, South America, in Europe. And that's because they do that, they have to maintain certain international standards. Standards such as EN 71, ASTM, and ISO 9001. So as you can see, this company is well integrated in what they're doing, and with their worldwide brand, Happy Kid, I'm quite sure they can meet your standards and exceed your expectation on the products that they provide for us: children, toys, and baby products. We're at the manufacturing part of Happy Kid. This is a production line of a plastic toy, which is the toy dump truck. You can see that they have a lot of assembly parts here to put the toys together. This one particular area right here, you have the electronic component section of it. But in this particular location, even though this place has over 1,200 employees, it has at least 200 employees in this particular location. They have a standard production process as well as a strict quality control system, which is a requirement for them to be a part of the Certified Supplier Initiative. We're at Happy Kids Toy Showroom. We have 2 products here that we want to show you that the company just came out with this year. The first one is the musical Fun Walker. This is a great product for children to sit and play with, to ride and play with, and to stand and walk and play with the musical Fun Walker. However, when I talked to them today, I want to know what was the first product that they came out with. And here, luckily, that product is in the showroom, and I want to show you what that product is. The product that they came out with first in this company is this robotic toys. As you know, these toys have been on the market for several decades. So again, I'm very pleased to know that this is where one of the companies that provided this product and the high standards that they maintain. Also, important that you should remember about the musical Fun Walker is that it has EN 71 as well as ASTM certification. So that's important to know that that product has that as well. Here you can see all different type of products that they provide throughout the years: the Barnyard pinball, the Shake and Move puppy, the Rumble dinosaurs, and all type of plastic toys that they provided through the year because of the quality management that they have, the high standards that they provide, the social responsibilities that they maintain with their employees. For example, the second product that I want to talk about that they came out with is the bilingual learning clock. Now, with this clock is very important because children as well as adults, can learn to speak, tell time in different languages. So it's very useful. This product as well is EN 71 certified as well as ASTM certified. Now, you want to know about what other certifications that they have here at Happy Kids? Let me show you something. They have other certifications that they have met and to grow their product and to provide quality items. The ICTI is another certification that they have. They also have the IS 9001 2008 certification. They have the Global Security Verification, which is good for toy industry manufacturers. Very good certification to have. And for Quality Management System certification, they have the IS 9001 2015. Okay, we're in another department. This is the inspection department of the Quality Assurance section of the Happy Kid. And this is the circuit board section where she's actually testing the circuit board to make sure that they are 100% past the inspection to meet their toys quality. So if you listen very carefully, you can hear it count off, So again, let's listen very carefully to what it does when she presses the button. Listen. So you can tell the quality assurance is very, very important in this company to make sure their toys are met with the highest standards. Okay, we're at the QC laboratory for Happy Kids. And basically what have 3 types of testing they're performing amongst the other ones that they do. This is the drop test here. It actually takes the impact from the toys at a certain height and see what impact that it has that it keeps the toys intact. So this is one test that they perform. And then over here, if you come down a little closer, right here they do the torque test. They take the toys and they put them inside this torque machine to test the density, the torqueness of the actual machine or the toy so it won't break. And then if you come down here to the third testing, the third one that we want to show you is the tension test. They're actually taking it and pulling the toy. You can see right here it has a certain gauge here to make sure that the parts of the toys doesn't come out. So there's 3 types of toys of testing that they do here at Happy Kids. And this is the QC laboratory. Thank you. Social responsibility is criteria for a Supplier Certified Initiative. China Toy and Juvenile Product Association evaluates companies on how they take care of their employees and also the implementation of ethical working practices. Here at Happy Kids, you can see that they provide dormitories to their employees. Inside the dormitories, they have showers, toilets, lockers, and air conditioners to maintain a great environment for their staff. Also, Happy Kids operates in line with BSCI and ICTI international standards. Okay, we're in the employees activity room area, so this is a place where they can come and play ping pong. I like ping pong, but when employees have leisure time, they can come to this area and play ping pong. But we're gonna walk to another area, it's called the billiards room. So they can come over to the billiards room. They have like 2 tables here, as a matter of fact. You have 2 billiard tables where they can come in and play a good game of pool when they're free. I'm quite sure they have a lot of contests in here as well. So billiards is another area they can enjoy. And then we're going to come here to one of my favorite locations. We're going to come down here to the KTV room. Come on now, let's go see what we got in KTV. Okay, here in the KTV room, you can see it's very, very spatial. You have a lot of space here where the employees can sit down and relax and enjoy a lot of singing, a lot of interacting amongst their peers and their colleagues, and have a nice setup with everything here for them to enjoy KTV. So here at Happy Kid, they take social responsibility very important. Again, it's a criteria for Certified Supplier.